What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today guys, I am going to see if we can try to contact any ghosts because I've been hearing weird noises at nighttime. I live with my dad, but my dad is mostly asleep when stuff like this is happening at night. I hear like footsteps or like somebody knocking on my bedroom door and I don't know what's going on. But I gotta do my nighttime routine, and we're gonna do it. So first thing that we do my nighttime routine is that I make sure everything in my office is turned off. So let's see. Okay, good. My PlayStation 4 is turned off. So is my TV and my keyboard. Good. So they are off. Boom. Alright, there it is. So they're off. We're good. Okay. Next thing I do in my nighttime routine is that I need to wash my face. Right now, guys, it's 11 o'clock at night. Okay. Put it on right here. Okay. Gotta wash my face. I don't know if I said this or not, but it's 11 o'clock now at night. Okay, we're good. So I'm good. Alright. Okay, time to do the next thing. The next thing I do is that I make sure that the front door is locked. My dad is watching TV. It's only 11. We're good. And the door's locked. Good. Okay. So the front door is locked. And that's my nighttime routine right there. Now it's time for bed. See, short and simple. Make sure everything in my office is turned off. Make sure the front door is locked and I wash my face. So that's what I do. So I'm gonna pick up the camera if I hear anything. I also got a flashlight in this drawer right here near my nightstand. And yeah, I will update you guys if I hear anything, or I'll see you in the morning. Night. Guys, I just heard a knock on my door in my room. Okay, I might get this to turn on. There we go. I heard like a knock there. And I don't even know what the heck that was. Okay. Let's see what it was. Okay. This is work. Why is this dryer on for? What the heck? nothing in here. I don't know what's going on with this flashlight, guys. It's like 3 a.m. now. Guys, I seriously don't know what's going on. If there's anyone in here, can you make your presence known? Can you move this flashlight for us? Nothing, okay. Let's check the rest of the apartment. What the... God. This damn flashlight, guys. I seriously don't know what's going on. This is getting weird. Let me cut the lights on the apartment. That way it'll be a little more brighter in here. My shit. Fuck this damn flashlight. There's something wrong with this flashlight, guys. I'm gonna put this thing up. I don't know what's going on, guys. I seriously don't know. I heard a knock on the door and this flashlight's acting up. This flashlight, guys, is not supposed to do this. I don't know what's happening in this apartment. I was sleeping so silently, and all of a sudden I heard a knock on my door. And I don't think it came from out here, but I'm gonna check anyway. Bring it with me. Nothing. Guys, I really don't even know what's going on. I was sleeping so peacefully until I heard a loud knock on my door in my room. It sounded like it came from my door in my bedroom. And that dryer wasn't even on. And then I woke up and turned on. I don't even know what time of day I went to bed. By the way, why is this picture left over for? Fix that. If y'all want to see an apartment tour, just go to this channel. It's like the 3rd video, I think. Guys, I gotta go to the bathroom. I'm gonna set y'all up somewhere while I use the toilet. I'm gonna put you guys right here. Okay, guys, you guys are gonna stay here for me while I go use the bathroom real quick. I'll be back in a minute. back, guys. I don't know what's going on and stuff. It's just that weird stuff has been happening in this apartment for like a while. Because let me show y'all something real quick. Okay, come with me. So, my dad claimed that one time he saw a shadow standing like right there in his kitchen. And when he did this, it just vanished. He was sitting right over there on this couch when he saw it. He followed me, so he cut the kitchen light off, and when it did, it disappeared. I was in the bedroom taking a nap when that happened. So yeah, my dad's been seeing shadows here. One time my door swung open by itself, and I heard a knock, and that's what woke me up. So, I really don't know what's going on in my room. I'm kind of too scared to go back there. So I'm just going to stay in here for a while with you guys. I forgot to shut the door in the back. Guys, let me know if y'all caught anything on the camera while I was using the toilet. Guys, I seriously don't know what's going on here. Let me see if I can find anything on TV to watch. Probably not, but I can give one heck of a shot. I seriously don't know what's going on right now. It's weird stuff that doesn't make any sense. Well, I'm gonna get off of here and try to not think about the weird experience I've been having here. Try not to think about, I'll probably review the footage just to see if y'all caught anything. I don't know if we'll catch anything now. It's like probably almost 4. I woke up at 3:30, I guess. So yeah, subscribe. I just got chills up my spine and stuff. It's weird. Let me know if y'all want me to like take my camera, my tripod, put the camera on the tripod, and I'll put the tripod like in the middle of the living room and I'll let it sit here and record all night. I'll leave a light on so y'all can see, and then I'll check it in the morning. If y'all want that, let me know down in the comments. I love you guys. Thumbs up, subscribe. See y'all on the next one.